like me better when I'm with you.
Hello there, my beautiful people, and welcome back to TracyLifestyle Thursdays. Yes, we're totally random. This whole channel is random whenever I fucking upload, huh? We back with the good vibes, though. So, sorry for not uploading Vine With Me Wednesdays yesterday. I swear to God, I really had a video done. And I was editing it, and then I started editing it again, and then I over-edited it, and then I just was like, there's nothing to do to save this. So I just didn't upload it. Because I don't want, like I said, I don't want to just upload anything for you guys. And I still got another chance. We still have one more week of the month. So that one, I promise y'all, I'll have something for you guys. Still May, so we're all good. What we're gonna do today is, what's in my Ipsy bag? Yay! I love the glitter. I love the bags. It's so cute. Don't mind this nail. I totally like, have you ever like flipped back your nail like on accident? Like, I don't even know how I did that, but I just, and I was like, ah, it feels like it's bleeding internally. But yeah, I could cut it down. I didn't have time to fix it, so, or take it off. I'm gonna take these off. It's time for a new set. Ipsy, cute to match my lips, glitter. All right, so let's see what's in it. So first off, we got the cute little brush, right? Cute. Don't gotta take it out of the plastic, we already know, but might as well. And this is 22E Shade and Blend. Gorgeous. I love the holographic. And then it's a cute little, oof, that's nice and soft. And then, let's see, reach in here for our first product. We got Radiant Glow Highlighter. Love highlighters. By IBY Beauty. I've gotten something by them before, so I definitely like it. So let's see. What color is this? Oh, it comes in a cute little tiny package like this. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. Like a little compact, but like it's highlighter. You open this. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a champagne color. It's pretty. Oh, yep. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty. Apply it real quick. Put it on my chin. Oh, you see that? Barely. Cheek. I already have highlighter on, so you probably can't see it as well. But ooh, I like that one. It's probably gonna be my new favorite go-to highlighter. Okay, let's see what's up in here next. There's a cute little, whatever this says. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't do it. We got this in cute little bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. You guys like bubble wrap? I love bubble wrap. This is some Velveteen Dream Shadow. Cute girl, INMO. Inmo Cosmetics. That's different. See, the thing with like Ipsy is that you don't get like, I mean sometimes you do, but you don't always get like the high-end products, but you get kind of like the random ones like this, but it's not like drugstore stuff, you know, so it's still good. And plus it's only like 10 something. You get a whole bunch of makeup. Like I haven't gone to like buy actual makeup, well besides Mother's Day with my mom, but other than that I haven't gone to like the makeup store, the Sephora, Ulta, or anything like that for anything lately, because I already have everything I need. Highlighters, eyeshadows, you know, brushes, well, if anything, I'll need to get foundation soon because I'm kind of like running low. I switch up and I use like a whole bunch of different route foundations anyways, so. I'm trying to open this superly careful because I like to keep the packages. I don't know why, I just do. But I can't open this shit. Fuck it, we're just gonna have to rip it. It's just because it's such a cute little, it's so cute. I just like that a lot. Okay, that's really pretty actually. It's a cream shadow, pretty lavender color. I'll probably use it as like a everyday type of thing, you know? You know what? Here, just cause, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, the same brush. Tips and tricks, y'all. Just to pop out your face a little bit more, or your eyes, I mean. You know, to any eyeshadow look, you know, just, you gotta put color on the bottom. That's what you see best. Very sheer, but it's pretty. I'm sure it'll apply a lot better if I did it like with a small pencil brush or something. One, we got, ooh, I like this. Some clay mask, pore cleansing clay mask. That'll be fun. I love masks. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. I'll do like a nighttime routine, even though I don't always wash off my face. I know that's bad. Don't do that. Okay, and last one. It only comes with 5 products, but 5 products is a hell of a lot for just 10 bucks. I mean, you know, go to the store, you buy one thing, it's already like 10 bucks at the drugstore. Now, it's ridiculous. It used to be like 3 or 4 bucks. So this is Illamasqua. Some rehydrating gel. Cute ass package. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm all about packaging. Like, that's just so cute. That good. Oh, that looks so fancy.
It's a cute little cup. It can be upside down.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, that's a weird little gel. Like, see that? Nice and hydrating though. Ooh. After you put it on, you know how some things you can feel like the residue still on there? That it literally makes your skin feel super smooth. That's really cool. But yeah, so we got the clay mask, we got the gel, we got the highlighter and the brush, and what did I forget? Oh, and the cream shadow. It's the thing I care the least about. That's a nice little Ipsy Glam bag. I love it, love it. I love the bag actual by itself. Some bags are cuter than others, but that one I like the most. Love Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I haven't tried anything else yet. Let me know in the comments if you found anything like that that's similar, you know, like just as good in the budget range, you know, so it's not too much because I ain't trying to spend like another 50 bucks a month or nothing like that because I might as well just go to the damn store. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and unboxing with me because I love doing stuff like that too. But if you didn't, well, it's okay because we got other content on this channel besides makeup and unboxing. So stay tuned because, well, Makeup Monday is all about makeup. So if you're ready for anything else, Talk Shit Tuesday is the one for you. Yeah, but I'll see you guys then. So bye you guys.